Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with nutrients. They're high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and lignans, all of which might surprise you with their potential benefits for your sex life. Ladies, listen up. Flax seeds might be your new best friend. They contain lignans, which have a weak estrogen-like effect. This can help regulate hormones, potentially easing symptoms of PMS and boosting libido. Guys, flax seeds aren't just for the ladies. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can improve circulation, which can be helpful for maintaining healthy erections. Additionally, some studies suggest they might even play a role in sperm health. How to eat flax seeds. Flax seeds are incredibly versatile. You can grind them up and add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even baked goods. They're also available as an oil, which you can drizzle on salads or stir-fries. While flax seeds are generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before making any major dietary changes. So there you have it, flax seeds, a delicious and natural way to potentially boost your sexual health. Give them a try and see how they work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hot health tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or favorite ways to incorporate flax seeds into your diet. I want to add a disclaimer that the research on the sexual health benefits of flax seeds is ongoing. While there are promising indications, more studies are needed to confirm their effectiveness.